Hello students, I'm Vidya from GK Jain School. Now I'm going to teach you about cell organelles. As we discussed already, there are many tiny structures are present inside the cell. Those tiny structures are called as cell organelles. They are called as cell organelles, and some common structures are present in the cell that are cell membrane, cytoplasm, cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. So these are the common structure of the cell, and this cell membrane act as a boundary of the cell, whether it can be a plant cell or animal cell. The boundary of the cell, that means the cell is enclosed, they are surrounded by the cell membrane. And another one is cell wall. The cell wall act as a supporter and protector of the cell. See, you might have learnt already. The plant cell have much more regular shape, and whereas the animal cell have irregular shape, because the plant cell have additional layer outside of the cell membrane. The additional layer only called as a cell wall. The plant cell have outermost layer of cell wall, so, which provides framework for the stability and support of the plant cell. And this cell wall is formed by various components. Mainly it is composed by the cellulose. The substance is called cellulose. That cellulose allows the plant to remain rigid and stable even it is attained the great height. And this cell wall, each cell is interconnected with neighboring cell through the opening. That opening is called plasmodesmata. I draw the picture here. So this is a one cell. This is a cell wall. Okay, so the each cell is interconnected with the neighboring cell through the opening. So this opening only is called as plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata. So the plant cell, each cell is interconnected with the neighboring cell. That opening, through the opening, that opening is called as plasmodesmata. Okay, then next one is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is act as a area of movement. Why it is called as a area of movement? Because it is a fluid like substance. So when I put one paper boat on the water, what will happen? The paper boat will move because of the water. The water in the movement, so which make the paper boat to move. In the similar way, since the cytoplasm in the liquid state, what are the organelles are present on it? That the cytoplasm will make the organelles to move. So that is why it is considered as a area of movement. But this cytoplasm includes all living part of the cell. The cytoplasm includes all living part of the cell excluding nucleus. The cytoplasm will not be present in the nucleus. The cytoplasm is composed by cytosol. This is a substance. Okay, the cytoplasm is made up of cytosol. This cytosol is a watery and jelly-like medium made up of 70% to 90% of water. Cytosol is a watery and jelly-like medium. It is made up of 70 to 90% of water. Okay, so now you get understand why it is considered as an area of movement. Then, so now I have to mention what is mean by protoplasm and nucleoplasm. So here the protoplasm also a fluid like substance, but The protoplasm present inside the cell also. It is present inside the cell and outside the cell within the cell membrane. And what is mean by nucleoplasm? The fluid-like substance which is present inside the nucleus. That is called as nucleoplasm. So now you get understand about the what is difference between cytoplasm, protoplasm and nucleoplasm. So all those things are fluid substance in the cell. And next one is, so as I mentioned already, the cytoplasm is a common structure of the cell. Now we are going to see about what are the organelles are present inside the cytoplasm. As I told you already, the cytoplasm including all living part of the cell, right? So the mitochondria is one of the living part which present inside the cytoplasm. This mitochondria is considered as, it is act as power of the cell. This mitochondria, rod or oval in shape, it is considered as power of the cell. So for example, the food we are eating, that broken down in order to release the energy. So that energy is used by our body to do the function, right? In the similar way only, the mitochondria also act inside the cell. They are releasing the energy due to the aerobic respiration taking place within the mitochondria. So because of the aerobic respiration, mitochondria release energy. That energy is used by the all living organelles which are present inside the cell to do that function. See, there are 30,000 billions of functions are taking place inside the cell per minute. So all the activities are done because of this energy released by mitochondria. Okay, so because all the metabolic activities, what are the metabolic activities taking place inside our body, all those things are done by the energy released by mitochondria. So that is why it is considered as a powerhouse of the cell. Do you notice the green organelles are present only in the plant cell and absent in the animal cell? Because of this reason, the plants can prepare their food by their own by the process called photosynthesis, because the plant cell have chloroplast which gives green pigmentation. So this chloroplast have high concentration of chlorophyll. Chloroplast have high concentration of chlorophyll. The plants which are have chlorophyll, they can absorb the radiant energy from the sun and convert it into the chemical energy. So this is how the plants are preparing their food by the process photosynthesis. They are absorbing the radiant energy and convert it into the chemical form. Okay, so only the plants, those are having the chlorophyll, those are having green organelles inside the cells, they only can prepare their food. They only involve in the photosynthesis process to prepare their food. Okay, so this is the chloroplast have vital role to prepare the food, to involve in the photosynthesis. Okay, student, the furthermore organelles which are present inside the cell, we will discuss in the next video. Till this, I hope till this you have get understand well. If you want more updates on educational videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel GK Jain. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.